Hello, I hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Sheetal. Today I will be talking about constipation. Constipation is an abnormally delayed or infrequent passage of usually dry, hardened feces. Constipation means different things to different people. For some, constipation may be not having at least one bowel movement every day. For others, it may be straining to pass the stool, or hard stool, or sensation of incomplete evacuation. Constipation on its own is uncomfortable and is also responsible for many other diseases as waste remains in body for longer duration. You might have evident incidences where all the test reports are normal, still complaints are there, or most of the medicines and therapies fail to heal a disease. This is because maybe constipation is not checked. If constipation is a symptom of disease, try to correct the constipation first. Constipation is majorly a signal of immobility, inactivity, or dullness of muscles. The muscle contraction produces movement, helping the stool move through and out of the body. Body processes operate according to a schedule. Constipation can be caused by slow passage of digesting food throughout any part of the digestive system. Hence, active and healthy muscles of the trunk, pelvic floor, and intestine are prime requirement for effortless bowel evacuation. Constipation is not only caused by stress but also causes stress. So instead of getting stressed and worried, bring the discipline back in life. How can you correct constipation? First and foremost comes the habits. Maintain upright body posture. This secures all the body organs and muscles at right position, confirming optimum functioning. The pushing power during defecation come from the muscles at sides of the trunk. Squat toilets are desirable as in squatting position, knees are higher than the hips. If you are using sit-up toilets, take care to use footrest according to your height and height of the toilet seat so that your knees are higher than the hips. Knees higher than the hips relaxes rectum. Suppression of normal urge to pass the stool too frequently can lead to disappearance of the urge and constipation. So whenever the urge comes, find a toilet. As you wake up, stretch before you move out of the bed. Stretching stimulates the colon and prepares it for the first evacuation. Deep breathing helps to stimulate the natural squeezing or contraction of muscles in intestine. Intestinal muscles that squeeze better helps to move the stool out of the body quickly. The sound of Om is quite beneficial for regular bowel movement. Try to observe the area where it creates vibration to understand the importance of this simple activity. Even during evacuation, rather than straining and hurting your muscles, generate the sound of M. You might have noticed children doing it. Mm, mm. This sound of M creates exact pressure and save the muscles from harm. Recognize that all these actions do not require any additional effort or time. You just have to understand the importance and go on with it. Equip yourselves with right exercises. Yogasana and pranayam are sufficient to support your muscles. Whenever possible, try to sit on the floor or ground with your legs crossed and back straight, that is in Sukhasana, to have your meals. After you finish your meals, try to sit in Vajrasana for 5 to 10 minutes. Games like hopscotch, run and chase, kho-kho, and exercises like walking, skipping stimulates your muscular system. It relaxes your mind, increases your heart rate and blood supply to the organs. Prolonged sitting in one position or remaining in one position is not healthy. It creates both physical and mental stress. Relax your body and mind with the help of games, exercise, and meditation. Listen to the music. Relaxation works wonders. This allows your body to save energy for your digestive system and its healthy function. Exercise and movement facilitate the passage of food through the digestive system. Just like exercise is important to reduce constipation, so is sleep and rest. Sleep allows the digestive system to rejuvenate, during the resting period. Drink your solids and eat your liquids is a famous proverb which must be followed to remove constipation. It means chewing is crucial. Proper chewing helps to release ample amount of saliva and complete the process of digestion. I will be talking about foods useful for constipation in my coming video. Till then, take care and love your digestive system before anything else. All the best.